So, how's it going? Today we're going to go over HDR footage from your iPhone. I've had quite trouble from HDR footage. It's usually overblown or looks crappy on my computer and so forth because I have an older model. Mine is 2020 version, so I guess it's not built in to fix this situation. HDR footage looks great and accurate on our phone because there is an actual HDR monitor built in. Older models usually don't have this version built in. The new MacBook Pro also has an HDR display built into it. And also, if you are sending this to a client, you need to configure how to transform your HDR footage into a regular MP4 file so they can view it properly. Otherwise, it'll look overblown. If you're using a computer that has an HDR monitor or you're working with an HDR HLG workflow, your iPhone footage likely does not look overly bright or unsaturated. If you're not using an HDR monitor, you're in REC 709, or you're putting your HDR footage in a standard dynamic range sequence, which the footage looks blown out, which I have come across quite often, and that's what I'm actually going through. This is because your footage is adding more light and color data that the system can display. In addition, the shipping version of Adobe Premiere does not go through the tone mapping for the HDR footage, or not yet exactly. Now let's go into how to fix this. I have a code that you can download onto my website. I'll put the link down below on how to fix this detail, or we'll also go into the workflow of how to do this. Let's get started. Alright, so I have the file set up right here. So what you want to do if you don't have the code or you don't have downloaded the file that I gave you or the link that I have down below, thank you for your donation if you have done so. You want to do is sequence settings. And then from there, you want to hit record 210 HLG and press OK. And that should do it. And then this will bring back your settings from the HDR. It won't look overblown or it won't look too oversaturated. Or you can do sequence settings and just do record PQ instead. Either way, it should record perfectly. Here's me dancing on some ice. Excellent, to say the least. So if you have any comments or questions, please let me know on the comments down below. I'm sure the community can let you know what's going on or help you as well. And I can help you as well. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.